Money is a tool. Use it wisely. Save money for emergencies. Unexpected expenses can arise. Create a budget and stick to it. It helps you stay on track financially. Don't live beyond your means. It leads to debt and financial stress. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Prioritize your spending. Invest in yourself. Education and self-improvement pay off in the long run. Diversify your investments. It reduces risk. Start investing early. It maximizes your returns. Don't try to time the market. Focus on long-term investments. Learn about personal finance. It empowers you to make better decisions. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income sources. Don't invest in something you don't understand. Research before investing. Pay off high-interest debt first. It saves you money in the long run. Consider debt consolidation. It simplifies payments and lowers interest rates. Build an emergency fund. It provides a safety net. Automate your savings. It makes it easier to save consistently.